Hi guys, today we'll check how to use the Skillshare app to watch classes and learn new skills. So first of all, you need to install the Skillshare mobile application on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app launches, you'll see a button that says, Get started with 1 month free. So tap on that button to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to log in using one of several available methods. I'll choose Google, but you can select whichever option works best for your needs. After you successfully sign up, you'll be taken to the Watch page, where a wide variety of courses will be listed on the screen, including recommended selections, top tutors, newly released classes, and trending topics. You can choose any course that interests you. For example, I'll open a random course, and there you'll see all the important details about that course displayed clearly on the screen. Here, tap on Read All, and it will open the complete details about the course. You'll need to carefully review this information, including the course outline and all the steps and lessons that will be covered throughout the class. Make sure to also check the tutor's profile, experience, and any other relevant details provided on the page. After reviewing everything, let's go back and continue scrolling down to explore more information. Here, you'll see the tutor or content creator, and you'll also have the option to follow them directly from this page. At the bottom, you'll find the complete list of lessons along with the total course duration. At the very bottom of the page, you'll also find related courses offered by the same creator. Next, there is a Projects tab, where you can explore all the projects included by the instructor, organized according to their expertise. Then, the Discussions tab allows you to see conversations from other learners, including their questions, feedback, insights, and other helpful discussions. Once you've reviewed everything, simply tap on Member Only Class to begin your free trial, and it will take you to a new page. Here, you'll need to carefully review the required details to start your free trial. Once everything looks good, tap on Continue, and you'll be taken to the Skillshare Plans page. Here, you'll need to choose a subscription plan, either yearly or monthly. Currently, they are offering a free trial with the yearly plan, so select that option and tap on Try Free and Subscribe. A pop-up will then appear showing the total subscription charge, and you'll need to confirm and pay this amount in order to activate your free trial. After that, you'll continue to be charged the yearly subscription fee moving forward. Once the payment process is completed successfully, you'll be officially enrolled in the course. After successfully enrolling, let's head back to the Watch page to explore some additional features of the app. From the bottom menu, go to the Inspiration page, where you'll see daily trending projects highlighted by different creators, and you can explore them however you like. After that, there's a Search tab, where you can search for any course you want or browse through popular categories displayed on the screen. Next, the My Classes tab contains all your profile details and learning activity, including downloaded classes for offline viewing, saved classes, learning paths, and your watch history. At the top, if you tap on the gear icon, it will take you to the Settings page, where you can view your membership plan, edit your profile, select your preferred language, and make other account adjustments as needed. And that's it. This is a simple and straightforward overview of how you can use the Skillshare mobile app to watch classes and learn new skills effectively.